Welcome to our another lesson, amazing lesson where we will show you some secrets and technical tricks to make your dancing even better. Let's get started. Okay, so today we would like to show you how in a simple rumba walk to make your legs a little bit longer. So all of you know that, let's say, basic of rumba walk, let's say we would like to move diagonally forward, so you can see from this angle. We just do a simple three walks. So we all go 2, count 3, count forward. So that's a very good rumba walk, has a good technique. But how can we take it to the next level, make it a little bit interesting, especially for the ladies? So what I like to do, it's on the first 2 walks, when you have a 2, 3, 4, or quick, slow. So there is a total 3 walks. The first 2 walks, we would like to a little bit slide and extend your walks to make them a little bit longer on the first 2. But on the last one, we're gonna be a little bit faster on the leg without that extra sliding, and then we're gonna continue body weight. So in this case, we will achieve more look of the long legs, rather than if we just follow technique, the steps will be just there. But like if you want to show, you see the top dancers, they like to elongate, make those legs a little bit, couple inches longer. So this extension of the leg, this sliding this leg, extending, stretching this leg is very effective, especially for competitive dancing. Makes your legs really long, really straight. And later Kristina will give her details how she does it, but I'll give you just the general feel. And the rule is, if we have quick, slow, 2, 3, 4, 1, slide on the first 2, extend first 2, but on the last one, try not to slide. The last one, try to put the heel to the floor and then continue, because we need a little bit to stop the body weight. So we will try to demonstrate. Let's demonstrate just regular rumba walks, 2, 3, 4, 1, with a beautiful technique, but not extending. And then extended rumba walk. So we go, and this is just a normal rumba walk, and 2 and 3 and 4, 1. And you see, we started in our camera on the right edge, and then we got only till the middle. Now, hopefully now when we're gonna extend, we're gonna travel more, and the look of the legs will be much better. So we're gonna and slide 2 and 3 and 4, 1. So you see the movement much more progressive, and the legs looks better. So let's just take a look on Kristina, how she does it. So slowly, can you do super slow-mo? So she's going over her hip, now she's extending her leg, making that step a little bit longer, and then stepping till the very last minute. And again, the second walk, straight then. But the last one, if she has a 3 in a row, is better to get split weight and then get the development through the neutral position. Okay guys, so for more secret, please check dancewitholeg.com, our amazing platform where we share all the secrets we know with exercises, drills, and much more. And see you.